Have you ever wondered what the real difference is between philosophy and psychology? At first glance, they might seem almost the same. Both deal with the human mind, with questions about life, and with how we think. But when we look closely, we see that philosophy and psychology have very different goals, methods, and areas of focus. Let's explore these key differences in simple terms. Philosophy is one of the oldest areas of human thought. It comes from the Greek words philo, meaning love, and sophia, meaning wisdom. So, philosophy literally means the love of wisdom. Philosophers ask deep questions like, what is the meaning of life? What is truth? What is justice? Does God exist? What makes something morally right or wrong? Philosophy is not about finding quick answers, but about exploring ideas through reasoning, logic, and debate. Psychology, on the other hand, is a much younger science. The word comes from psyche, meaning mind, and logos, meaning study. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. Psychologists ask practical questions like, why do people feel depressed? How do children learn language? Why do we dream? What causes anxiety, and how can it be treated? Psychology relies on research, experiments, and observation to understand and improve human behavior. Here's a simple way to think about it. Philosophy asks, why do we exist? Psychology asks, how do we think, feel, and act? Philosophy uses reasoning and arguments to find meaning. Psychology uses scientific methods to study the brain, behavior, and emotions. Another difference is in their purpose. Philosophy helps us question life, search for truth, and guide our moral values. Psychology helps us understand mental health, behavior, and provide solutions to real-life problems. For example, if someone asks, what is happiness? A philosopher might discuss whether happiness is pleasure, virtue, or purpose. A psychologist, however, might run surveys, brain scans, or therapy sessions to understand how people experience happiness in daily life. But here's something important. Philosophy and psychology are connected. In fact, psychology began as a branch of philosophy before becoming its own science. Many early psychologists, like Wilhelm Wundt and William James, were philosophers first. Even today, philosophy influences psychology, and psychology gives new insights to philosophy. So, in summary, philosophy is about wisdom, meaning, and reasoning, while psychology is about the scientific study of the mind and behavior. Both are valuable, but they serve different purposes. If philosophy gives us the big questions, psychology gives us practical answers. Which one do you connect with more, deep thinking through philosophy or practical study through psychology? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational videos like this one.